Hi guys, my name is Danny, and I was asked by my friend John on the Leather Workers Forum to build him a stitching horse. I only have one problem with this, and I didn't like the designs that were out there on the internet. So I thought I would re-engineer it. What I came up with is what you see here. Instead of having a piece of leather that went through the movable jaw, through a stationary jaw, and then down around and held by your foot or some sort of a mechanism down there, I came up with an over-center joint. This over-center joint actually just tucks right underneath this piece of brass that I inlaid on the movable jaw, and it clicks in and it puts the pressure right at the tip where you want it. So instead of having a piece of leather that was routed between, you'd have to put a hole in both sides, and you have to secure the leather on the movable jaw so that it actually pulls tight. You get all the pressure right where you want it from the outside. No more having a piece of leather in between that would hinder your piece from sitting in here. You get the full height of your jaws instead of having a hole 9 inches down and therefore only having a 9-inch tall jaw. Now I built an 18-inch tall jaw, and you get the entire 18 inches minus maybe a ½ inch for a little knob here, which I'll explain in a minute. The next feature I put in here is I put an adjustable base in here for the over-center joint. So this allows you to really dial in the pressure, the exact amount of pressure that you want. You have something that's very delicate, you can dial out the pressure, and then you put it in there, and then you're all set. You want to put more pressure in there, or you have a large piece, or etc. I mean, you just dial in the pressure, put it in there, lock it down, and you're all set to go. I think you just saw the next feature, which is this screw right in the middle. So you unscrew that, and now you have a 360-degree movement of your jaws. I'm tempted to just leave it unscrewed and let it free move as I go, because if you're like me, I hate having to move my head to look around and see where all the holes are and make sure that my needle is going right in the hole. Now you just turn it, put it right in there, keep on going back and forth. If you can also lock this down. Now it's all steady. Everything is built out of solid oak. All the pressure is put on a piece of wood by these brass pieces of metal. Nothing's going to chip, nothing's going to break. I think this is a great design, and I'm proud to put my name on it. I know John's going to love it. Let me know what you think.